Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only. The information provided is meant to help you save videos you own or have been granted permission to download. We do not promote or encourage the unauthorized downloading of copyright. Why this approach helps? 1. Educational purpose. This video emphasizes learning how to download your own content or content where you have permission. It is not meant to encourage illegal activity. Intellectual property rights. By mentioning copyright laws, we are ensuring that viewers understand the importance of respecting the rights of creators and avoiding unauthorized downloading. Intellectual property rights. By mentioning copyright laws, we are ensuring that viewers understand the importance of respecting the rights of creators and avoiding unauthorized downloading. Please, this video shows we're focused on responsible use and not on breaking the terms of any platform. Now let's get started. Your instructor, Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers.
Welcome once again. This video is to educate you out there. Some of you are kind of like wondering how you can download Facebook video, Instagram video, or the gram video. I know you are laughing as well. Let me show you how that has been done. Facebook, okay? So this is my Facebook, and then I'll bring, okay, just come to the video here, that is watch, okay, this side, okay? So just come there. Is to display all the videos is for you, any video that you want. Funny one, those who are not funny, the one that are funny, those who are not funny. So any one that you want, you can just download it there, just by the way. So with that being said, so when you see this video, you like it, you want to download it, what you do is that you just come to this very side, come to the share button here, share. Then you can see, you bring the mouse pointer to this side where we have copy link, okay? So just click on the copy link, and then after that, then switch to, how do you call it, your Google, okay, and type something we'll call save, okay, save, okay, save from, okay, from net, okay, save from net. And when you go there, it will open for you. So just this is it here. So just click on it to be opened. When I click on it, to open for me nicely. Then I'll paste the URL here. Okay. So I'm pasting it here now. And I'll paste it. The moment I'll paste it, it will just generate here for me nicely. And I'll just click on the download. Okay. And sometimes when you click on download, it will open kind of like another page for you. Don't worry. So we have 30 page, meaning that this very side where we have the 30, meaning that 30 page is already open. Don't worry. Click on it. And then to switch, close it here, close this very one here. So this one we want, so just close this one. So when I start closing it, it will just focus on this, click on it to be open, and this one will open nice. You can see this is the downloading aspect, this is the size of the video. So I'll just click on this very side and click on download, and then the video will be downloaded successfully. So this is how you can download video also from, how do you call it, Facebook, using the save from net. As I just said, this video is just for education purpose. Thank you guys so much. Catch you in the next video. My name is Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers. See you when I see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Let's see whether this video indeed has helped you out there. Bye bye.